Okay, so hi guys, welcome to the presentation. So this presentation is all about different CRM solutions available in the market and also definitely supplied by the dot squares as well. So we are talking about custom CRM solutions versus off-the-shelf CRM solutions. This is like pre-made CRM solutions which are available in the market. So let's start with the first slide. This is about dot squares, like we have based in locations, benefits of the CRM. So this is the first screen. So before we jump over like a difference between a custom-based CRM solutions and of the CRM solutions, there's one more which is you need to know about custom, like what is actually a CRM solutions are. There's a cloud-based CRM solutions available in the market as well. So if you can see, this is the CRM solutions will be hosted on the cloud, can be accessed from any device using, enabling users to access the same information at the same time by offering instant access to real-time insights. It allows you to automate critical processes, such as qualifying leads, closing sales leads, ensuring better customer services for increase customer retention rates. So it's all to manage end-to-end sales relationship, like maintaining your leads. You can manage all your client information in a single place. You can maintain the current status. You can maintain the closed leads, open potential leads as well. So it's like in a different, a traditional cloud-based CRM covers, following points like as a it's a complex architecture and usually takes a lot of time to install and implement. A cloud-based CRM, on the other hand, can be set up on it's on cloud, so you can easily set up, can be accessed from anywhere. Whether if you can talk about on-premises CRM solutions, so it's quite complicated. You need to install on different systems. Implementation is complicated. So this is a small difference between traditional on-premises CRM solutions, cloud-based CRM solutions. So currently, in trend, they are cloud-based CRM solutions. So also you can see cloud-based CRM hosted on solutions on the cloud versus on-premise solutions, which are typically hosted at your location and managed by your IT department. So most of the on-premises, solutions have been replaced by cloud-based CRM solutions. So it's been hosted on cloud, can be accessed from anywhere by any users. Like definitely need to be authenticated first. Updates, maintenance, and storage of CRM application is done by the cloud is a CRM provider, whereas with an old CRM that is managed by an in-house IT department. So definitely, if you're looking for an updates, maintenance, storage, the cloud, so it's on cloud managed. And if you're talking about in-house, CRM, then IT department will be responsible for updates, customization, system administration, maintenance, which is quite expensive. Like a traditional CRM, a cloud-based CRM is easy to use and offers instant access to critical information processing cycle as usual. A cloud-based CRM is typically extremely affordable with a minimum upfront cost where compared to traditional CRM, and the initial capital investment can be higher. Again, with traditional CRM systems, access is possible only during working hours for system within the office premises. Definitely, if you have a control if in premises, so once your server is up and running, then only you can access the in-house CRMs. However, the cloud-based CRMs offer anytime, anywhere access to important information that helps organization improves. It's on cloud. You can access it from home. You can access from office anywhere. Like if you just need that authentication, that's it. Most traditional CRM systems are standalone systems with poor integration capabilities. On the other hand, cloud-based CRM system offers robust integration with multiple third-party products, allowing organizations to seamlessly carry out multiple tasks across. So basically, in-house CRM systems, it's quite hard to integrate with third-party tools where we can get push and pull the data from. But if you're, working on cloud-based CRM solutions, then it would be easy to integrate with other tools as well to push the data, to pull the data, so you can get, in-hand informations. Okay, so this is a small slide about cloud-based customer relationship management tools. Let's move to the next slide. Custom versus off-the-shelf CRM, which is better? So as you know, custom CRM solutions like specifically tailored as per your needs. And if you're talking about off-the-shelf CRM solutions, which are readily available in the market, you can just need to purchase a subscription. This will be, configured as per your need, and you can start using it. You can start creating your, users and, you know, start pushing all the leads and maintaining all the information. So the benefits of definitely off-the-shelf CRM solutions are like this is cost effective. You don't need to buy heavy development cost. So let's see the pros and cons of custom versus off-the-shelf solutions. This slide we mentioned all the benefits, advantages of bespoke CRM, which is the CRM is developed from scratch, like from as per your requirement. As I've mentioned, tailored your result to business goals. So definitely, as per your business requirement, you can tailor this custom CRM solution. Like if you're looking for a specific, reports or a limited number of users, a limited number of a process, you can definitely ask your developers to set this up for you. Where this is not possible in off-the-shelf CRM solutions. So like you should have goals when setting up your bespoke system. You haven't get back to the drawing board. Let's say your goal is capture 200 phone numbers in 6 months on a website form. Once the capture number, it's just a CRM automates a callback for 7 days time. Mention like this is as per your requirements, like how you want to configure it. Your custom CRM provides matrices of sales reps, the most calls, or the most calls assigned to them, and how many numbers have been collected. It can be tracked anything you want. Easy to customize, definitely. Is it's been developing from scratch, so you can customize this for your requirement, your own idea and development, uh, how you want it, like based on your business process. I guess definitely you need to pay a little more extra initial cost to develop it. Quick to scale anytime. That's the benefit. That's major advantage. Like further, if you need to change any specific process, you can definitely check with your development team and get it done. Integration with other applications, you can definitely integrate with other third-party tools like other, you know, KYC softwares or any softwares like accounting or any softwares you want to integrate. You just need to pull the APIs and start getting the data from there. High level of support. If you have your CRM developed by Viva Agency, a software development company, you'll be working with experts in the field. Tools are easy to access and staff and trainings and levels you need. So basically, it's more like additional support you'll be getting from your development teams. Definitely, it's your custom solutions. This team is completely aware like what's been done already. They can quickly jump in and they can support if there's any issues or anything. It works both the chatbots and messenger apps can form part of your custom CRM. This makes it easy to communicate with your customers.
Can I ask you one question?
Yeah, absolutely.
So what I want to ask you is, do you have any examples? Like what is the simplest CRM system you have seen, which is off the shelf?
Simplest, as in you definitely like CRM solution. If you can go with a Salesforce CRM, if you can go with Zoho or any CRM, they are easy to configure. You can start using it. Definitely, they have a storyboards available. They will guide you what are the next steps. Let's say you're getting lead from any third-party tool. You just need to configure that lead system into the Salesforce, and Salesforce start managing automatically at their end. So let's say a lead get inside the Salesforce CRM. It will be assigned automatically as per the process to your agents or your users. They can communicate with the lead. They can see you can also view what's the status going on with this lead, if it's converted, it's on hold, or what are the next steps. So definitely that's a benefit with off the shelf CRM solutions. They've been uh, in this industry from a very long time and been configured properly. Now they learned a lot. So it's you have a lot of options to manage it. Are you with me on this?
Right, right, right. So apart from sales, like managing our funnel, what else
Mhm.
these CRM systems can do? Like, can they be point of sale systems? Can they be?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you talk about Salesforce, if you talk about Zoho, they do have new modules available like a point of sale system, accounting solution, you can say HR management as well. So these are modules are easily configurable with your current CRM. You can just configure these and you can start using their benefits.
Okay. And what do you think should be the scale of the company before they start using this CRM system? Let's say for HR, how many employees should they have, like when it's start becoming unmanageable without a software solution?
It depends on your needs. If you have an end-to-end process, you can definitely with a single user, with a two user, you can start using it. But if you don't have any process, then you have to set up a process first. And then you can start using this particular module, like an HR module or accounting module, because this provides a very easy to use options. So you definitely, it's nothing like you need to learn it or you need to adapt it.
Yeah, most of
Okay.
the smaller companies do use from single license only, because
Right.
traditionally what companies have been doing are they are using all the systems through Excel sheets and like this. So just to process channelize all the processes, they started using a CRM system. So I mean, every company, even if it's a company of total five people, and it do require a CRM system in to manage it properly.
Okay. Okay. Great. And can it be connected for digital marketing as well? Like, uh,
Absolutely, yes. So you can get analytics, you can get reports of your leads, like what sort of leads you'll be getting, right? It's already in the CRM. Based on the reports, you can instruct your marketing team to, you promote accordingly.
okay. Okay. So, and I can send emails using this system as well?
Yes,
Or,
absolutely.
okay.
Absolutely. So there are options like in Salesforce, you can configure your MailChimp account from where you can directly communicate with your clients as well. So in Zoho as well, if you're talking about bespoke CRMs, then definitely we can configure your MailChimp account. You don't need to worry about sending mails out of the system. The system will manage it automatically. Even the system is capable enough to send an automated emails to your clients, like on a specific actions. Like let's say if you have set up an cron for chasing a client after 5 days of your last email, the system can set in an automatic emails as well. Just an
And
example.
what about just the last question also, what about let's say I have a product in market, and I want to reach out to clients for feedback and survey so that I can get new features in, so can I create a customized survey form which I don't have to host anywhere, just create in CRM, and link can be shared with clients over email and they can fill up the form, and that way I can, complete my survey.
Okay, so see this way, Salesforce and Zoho, they do provide third-party integrations like SurveyMonkey and other, survey applications. Just need they do have inbuilt capabilities. You just need to configure your account with SurveyMonkey with a Zoho or Salesforce, and you can start sending your surveys directly. You can create your surveys directly from Salesforce and Zoho as well and start relaying to your customers. The feedbacks can be recorded in the Salesforce and Zoho as well. If you're talking about bespoke CRM solutions, definitely all these the giants, survey giants, they do provide their APIs. So we can integrate those APIs within our solution and we can start doing the same what's been done by Zoho and Salesforce. So yeah, it can be managed internally using those survey APIs.
Okay. How much data it can store? Like CRM, does it has any limitations? Like,
Well, honestly, if you're talking about a bespoke CRM development, then you don't need to worry about holding a data. It depends on the server we are buying, right? But if you're talking about off the shelf CRM solutions, then definitely there will be no limitations, but you need to buy a plan for that. So there are multiple subscriptions available on Salesforce and Zoho. The type of subscription you're buying, you can easily manage your data. You can manage your users. So Salesforce is offering a per user subscription. You need to, buy a subscription. Like let's say if you have 15 users, then you have to buy 15 subscriptions to manage the data.
okay, let's say I want to attach PDFs and store a lot of big files. So I have to rely on integrations with Google Cloud, etc., or can CRM offer that inbuilt?
That's inbuilt, definitely, but using third-party APIs only. Zoho is using Google Cloud as well. Salesforce, they have their own cloud, so that's not an issue.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Let's move to the next slide then.
Yeah. Can you check
So, mhm,
messages? Yeah.
sure, sure. Not yet. I don't have.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah, I've not received it. Okay. So yeah, let's move to the next slide, which is like a custom CRM system disadvantages. So what we've seen earlier is the advantages of custom CRM. Now we can have a look into the disadvantages as well. Definitely. So as I've mentioned, the significant cost. If you're looking for a custom CRM solution, then definitely you need to pay a little more additional cost to develop it. Definitely you're hiring resources who are capable of developing systems, which is quite expensive. It depends like what modules are integrating. The cost will depends on that as well. The words you have to sacrifice some monetary things for the sake of future ROIs. So yeah, that's a disadvantage. A time-consuming process. It's also a disadvantage. Definitely, if you're looking for an end-to-end process, it will take time and resource. So let's say if you're looking for an complete CRM solutions, which is equivalent to not as equivalent to Salesforce Zoho, but which covers pretty much all the modules, and it will take a lot of time as well. Wrong focus to make matter worse. Let's think about focus. It's in right place or does it need a shift? So definitely, if you're talking about focus, then you need to make sure that what you're looking for is actually being developed by the team. So you need to check your end-to-end process. You need to keep monitor the progress. You have to make sure that whatever task been assigned has been done properly or not. So this is something that you need to focus on. You need to make sure that's been developed as per your requirement as well. Semi-qualified vendors. So if anything can happen, like definitely if you selected the wrong vendor, so might be they not cover your depth requirement and detailed requirements. So at the time of after the development, there are chances that your modules may crash. Something's not covered properly. Your leads, being assigned, wrongly to users, or might be there's some processes which we missed. So definitely a right vendor is a right choice selection to start with. If you have a right vendor, then definitely it lowers down the risk. So this is a big risk if you're selecting a wrong vendor for your development. So these are some disadvantages.
What are the things we should look out for when we are selecting a vendor?
Absolutely, you need to look for the experience if they already worked on the CRM solutions, because definitely CRM solutions are something which the vendor definitely need to have a good experience with. If a company who worked on the CRM solution for the first time, definitely they need to put a lot of extra efforts, which cost extra money, and definitely the end product may not be as per the requirement because they don't have that much experience. right? So you need to check their portfolio, you need to check their experience, you need to check their resource experience as well, like how much experience their resources are they capable enough to handle such sort of big requirements? Because there's so many challenges as well at the time of development.
Usually, what is the duration of these projects and how we can find resources for
A
customization?
CRM solution, if you're talking about a standard CRM solution, it can be developed within like 5 or 6 months as well. Or if you're looking for an end-to-end process, then definitely may take 9, 10 months, 11, 12 months, depends on the resources we're going to put in. That's the benefit of, selecting a vendor as well. Like if they do have capable resources, they can develop in a very lesser time. Definitely, they can put more resources into development. So to reduce the time frames.
Okay. And can experienced vendor like handhold me to onboard on a CRM system, like migrate all my existing data, which might be in Excel sheet?
Absolutely, yes. This is
Uh,
really a very important stage to migrate all your, historic data in your current or, a newly developed.
what does these companies provide? Like, let's say if I buy a license, do they provide any consulting, implementation consultant along with my license fee? Or is it a extra service I have to buy from, let's say, Salesforce or some big CRM company like that?
If you're talking about the bespoke solution, then definitely if the vendor experienced, right, then definitely they'll provide all the services before we start developing on the solution, right? Because they already have been experienced all such things. So they know what are the ups and downs. They'll definitely guide you before they start working on it. Talking about of the self CRM solutions like Salesforce and Zoho, it's already been there. So you just need to, before you start migrating your data, there are some, tools will be provided which can help you to migrate the data to your new CRM.
Okay, thanks.
Let's see. Okay, so it's a brief about pros of the of self CRM ready-made solutions and cons of self CRM ready-made solutions. We can see the pros like definitely quick setup. So of the self CRMs like Salesforce and Zoho. So the pros, they're already been developed. You just need to configure it as per your requirement and you can start using it. You just need to set up your users. You need to set up your small process like how you'll be getting your leads from which channels, like if you have a website or any other tool. So you can set that up and you can start using it. So that's a major advantage of using uh, ready-made solutions. Uh, Also, you don't
Yeah,
need to be an
yeah,
expert. Yeah,
Gaurav, I think we can wind it up quickly and stick to time. And just go briefly, if you have, Nakul, if you have any questions about these pros and cons, quickly set up free tests, affordable products, please let us know. So,
Okay, sure. So, yeah, that's a lot of information, Gaurav, for
right.
today, I guess. So, can you tell us something about dot squares, how it can help us, help anybody looking to customize their CRM solution, or if they don't know how to buy a license, what are the steps they can follow, how they can approach you, and all those things?
Absolutely. So Dotspot has been working on CRM solutions from past many years. Like we have our experience resources in house, so we can definitely help you with the off-the-shelf CRM solutions as well as a bespoke CRM solutions. We have our own Dotspot CRM as well. So users, if they're interested for an off-the-shelf CRM, we can start with the dot CRM and we can start later, configure it as per the requirements as well. So that's the benefit dot squares. If you're talking about the off like Salesforce and Zoho, so we do have experience resources. We have a team of like more than 100 plus Salesforce developers in house, so we can help you, guide you in getting the subscriptions and managing their Salesforce and solutions end to end. So that's the benefit of having dot squads on board with your CRM requirements.
And these
Yeah. So
environments are ongoing, right? Yeah.
just to
Absolutely.
reach us, uh, there will be you can go to dotsquares.com and you will find a contact us the query page. So you can just fill anyone who needs any kind of help in any kind of CRM, just add up the details, contact details there. It's a very simple form, just name and your either email or just phone number, and one of our project managers or sales guy will contact that person, and they will explain that in terms of our expertise. Definitely we are platinum partner of Salesforce. We are a partner of Zoho as well. We do have our own bespoke CRM dots. So yeah, we do have very extensive knowledge in every kind of CRMs.
Thank you, guys. I know it was too early for you to join, but thanks for joining this and presenting
Perfectly
this.
fine.
Also.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Nakul. Thank you,
Okay,
Rahul, for
Nakul,
joining
I
call.
think before next session, we will talk regarding the times, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, Gaurav.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
Rahul. Thank you,
you.
Nakul. Have a nice day.
Bye.